Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hoover Special Edition 1300 spin HPE236 washing machine. And I'll show you today how to clean the lint filter on this machine. Down on the bottom there's a fascia panel and it's a bit loose on this one side. So if you push it down on the top, it just comes loose. In this case it's got little plastic tabs holding it on. You have to excuse the fact that this one's rather grubby. Then down on the front you've got this coin basket or filter drawer, and if you open that, water will come out. So if you're doing this indoors, you might want to put a tray under it or something like that. And that's what it looks like inside. There's a bit of something there, a bit of fluff for that, and you can see inside then the impeller blades. This one's quite clean really. You could pick out that stuff if you wanted to. And to replace it, offer it up and just give it the twist to tighten it up. And that's it, the job's good one. Thanks for watching, see you later.